I was actually a straight F student in high school. A few years after taking a break, I decided, you know what, I need to do something that's going to provide for my family. Coming here, I decided, this is where I'm going to hit it hard. So now I'm a straight A student here.
Industry is looking for students that have some type of certification. And our program has been around since 1969, and we have a long tradition. Students have come on to own their own businesses, and so now they come and they hire our students.
I love that these professors, they show us the hands-on that we're going to need for the field.
It's comparable to a lot of private schools out there that you see on TV, and it's very affordable. We're here to help. We're on your side.
At Cypress College, we take this journey together.